Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly, you should open Contacts application, tap Allow, tap Skip. Then you should go to the Fix and Manage section. Here select Import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, then just tap Import, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.